I'm going to tell you how to see who liked you on Tinder without paying. The truth is, you can't fully unlock the likes you section without gold, but there are a few tricks you can use on your phone. First is the secret admirer card. Tinder sometimes pops this up when enough people like you. It shows four blurred profiles, you pick one, and they already swiped right on you. It's an instant match for free. Another method is simply to pay attention when you're swiping. If you swipe right on someone who already liked you, it'll say it's a match right away. So just keep swiping and you'll naturally uncover those likes. Some people also notice that blurred profiles in the Likes You tab give you away hints like colors or hairstyles, so you can sometimes spot who it is before matching. Those are the main free ways to see your likes on Tinder without paying for gold.